So this is the closing Nifty. Simple moving average of Nifty of the month December is 171,171,174. Value expense 15 days EMA, and the exponential moving average of Nifty is above calculated in two decimal only. Analyze buy and sell signal on the basis of your calculation. First exponential, we need to value of exponential 2 into n plus 1, that is 2 into 15 plus 1 is equal to 0.125. We can find the expression. Then Nifty minus previous unit difference of Nifty and this 1, 2, 3 is equal to 2 minus, sorry, 1 minus 2, and that value into 0.125. And if the positive, you add with EMA. Then 1 to 17270 here. This minus this 1 minus 2 positive, same thing. You see the then follow the same criteria, plus. Market is bullish market. To buy bullish signal is generated when the actual price is given the moving average, while sell is a bearish signal generated through actual Nifty level declines through the moving average. In the case under consideration, the price line of Nifty never breaches 15-day EMA. In fact, hovering around 15-day EMA line only. So it is buy signal.